Guys, day number 2 with the light hasn't charged. It's been getting good. Couple hours out here with it. It's lighting up the whole place. Putting extra lights, but we're not turning them on. We have that one there, but we're not turning it on. This one's perfect. This is a street light, guys. The one I reviewed the other day, awesome light. Like I said, we improvised it, put it for a tent. Look, the whole place here is all lit up.
Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank. Now, let me talk about the street light. And yes, I have reviewed the street light before, but I want to bring something awesome that I end up doing it. So I reached out to the company to get another street light because I was going to take this one out in the middle of nowhere to Utah, Zion. We end up camping in the middle of nowhere where it's completely pitch dark, and I wanted to set this up as a perfect lighting. Solar panels will be perfect in the sunshine to charge them and get them ready to go. I end up taking a pole, but when I set up the pole, it was not completely to my liking. It was only a one directional, and I wanted to set up somewhere where we can use it all night. So we ended up taking out the complete pole, setting up on top of the tent. Now it completely lit up the whole tent, and at night we set up the sensor so in case we get any kind of critters coming into our territory in there, we would get up with the light effect. Now during the day we end up charging it. Through the night we enjoyed it for hours. This is an awesome product, not just for outdoors, but you can enjoy like we did camping. So hopefully you guys enjoy the next clips, and if you have any questions, let me know. Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today, if you guys see back here, we're gonna go take a look at the light, and you can't even see. It's freaking dark. It's beautiful out here in the desert of Utah, and we're gonna be walking around and show you guys a couple of things you can do with your lighting. If you guys notice this, I set up multiple LED lightings on this so we could get the brightness going on here. And I'm going to start talking first about these lights right here, what you can use them for. If you guys can notice, these are actually the garden lights, and we improvise them by zip tying them in here in this corner, lighting them up. Beautiful show on this stuff and showing you guys exactly. Now another crazy thing is that we got a street light. Thanks to our sponsor, he gives another street light, and guess what we did with it? We're using it to light this whole thing up. Look up there on the top. If you guys notice up there, that's our actual LED light, street light, the solar light. And now these kids could be playing all night. We could party all day. And this one, cause you can see this tent from miles away, all right, because of the lighting. We're gonna step back a little bit and check it out. We got a couple RVs here set up side by side, and we're gonna be partying for like until the lights go off actually, and then the next day we charge them and we start again. And this is pretty much one of the best things that we set up out here. So if you're gonna buy LED lights, highly recommend you check out these LED lights. But this one, the street light, is one of the best things I have ever purchased. Now we improvised it and set it up on our middle of our tent. We put a couple of zip ties, but we didn't want to, you know, mess around with too much of the screws and everything, but we're using it just to light it up this whole tent here. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and we're going to be talking about more of what we can do and how we charge it through the day, and how we're using other LED lights. So when you go camping or you're outdoors in the desert like we are here, you could take advantage of these kinds of beautiful things. So with your beautiful family out here, you can enjoy the day camping, watching the LED lights throughout the whole day. They get charged, and at night, you know, you have it for the kids. But and if you guys have any questions or any comments, especially that LED light, how powerful it is, let me know.
El venado, the deer that ran away, the deer that was Bambi's mom. But she died.
Oh, we have to go there. Spoiler. Spoiler.
El pescado, the fish you
Finally.
won't catch.
Wait, we're gonna. I'll actually catch a fish with my bare hands. Just kidding. No one is in there.
She said it, okay, guys?
No.
That's
what she said. I can't even handle snakes.